Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Java and Python. First, consider your career aspirations to decide which language aligns best with your goals. Both Java and Python are powerful, but excel in different areas. Once you've chosen, dive into the basics: variables, data types, control flow, and functions. Consistent daily practice, even for just 30 minutes, will significantly accelerate your learning curve and solidify your understanding of core programming principles. To truly master these languages, leverage the wealth of online resources available. Websites like Codecademy or Free Code Camp offer interactive lessons that make learning engaging. As you progress, start building small projects. This hands-on application of concepts is crucial for understanding how code works in real-world scenarios. Don't hesitate to join online forums or local meetups. Connecting with other developers provides invaluable support and new perspectives. Once you're comfortable with the fundamentals, it's time to explore more advanced topics. Delve into object-oriented programming, data structures, and algorithms, which are essential for efficient and scalable code. Consider contributing to open-source projects. This offers practical experience and exposure to professional coding practices. Finally, compile a strong portfolio of diverse projects. This collection will effectively demonstrate your skills to potential employers and highlight your problem-solving capabilities. Learning to code is a continuous journey. Always strive to stay updated with the latest language features, frameworks, and industry trends to remain competitive. Pursuing certifications can also validate your expertise and significantly boost your resume, opening doors to new opportunities. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your workspace. Keep coding, keep learning, and enjoy the exciting world of software development.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.